Oh, well, ah,
I've got a favor to ask you. Is that okay?
yes.
Can you kill the devil for me?
Yes, absolutely.
That's great. I have some errands to do so. It seems Denji is following my plan very well. But
Makima-san.
good. It's been a while. This devil, he's weird. I didn't think he'd let us catch him and chain him up. We captured it because not just to neutralize it, but to potentially use it for ourselves. Is he really that weak? Or is he cunning? Well, I have to go now. I'll see you later.
What?
Him. Seems like my technique was pretty effective.